Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya KMS Bismar Muhammad Fatur Rahman dari Informatika 23E. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan sedikit tentang komputer organisasi and arsitektur. Introduction to computer system. Computer. What is computer? Computer are tools for humans with a working system that retrieve input in the form of data, process the input, and produce output in the form of information. Input: keyboard, mouse, scanner, and other. Output: monitor or other graphic display, printer, speaker, and other. Processing data is the function where the computer actually does its job, namely manipulating and controlling data from the entire system. Manipulating here is of raw data to a move informative form or information. Storage: hard disk or external storage device. Compilation system. Programming language. What is programming language? A programming language is a language that is a means for humans to communicate with computer that understands that in structured human mind must be structured so that it can communicate with computer. Computer require certain and correct logic to be able to carry out certain instruction. From this reason, a good and correct algorithm is needed. Matching language. Matching language is a language that contains matching code that can only be interpreted directly by a computer matching. Matching language is often also called native code. It really depends on the particular matching. This language is the lowest level language and is in the form of binary code 0 and 1. A collection of instructions in matching language came from microcode, a kind of produced in matching language. Assembly language. It is a symbol form of matching language, considered to be the first programming language in the form of string and is easier for humans to understand. Earth matching language code has its own symbol is in assembly language. High level language. This language is closer to human language. This language also provided many facilities to make programming easier. For example, variable, data type, constant, control structure, loops, function, procedure, and so on. Hardware organization. Organization. Computer hardware is all the physical computer and is distinguished by the data that is in it or that operates in it, such a motherboard, power supply, processor, RAM, hard disk, CD drive, CMOS, battery, VGA cards, sound cards. Bus system type. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet consectetur adipisting elit vivamus sed vertibulum nos eget aliquem felis sed nos purus axum accumsan sit amet dictum in ordaner in dui ut imperdet ante eras sed porda ex elievet ax. Bus system type. Dedicated bus. A dedicated bus is a bus that specifically transmits certain data only. This bus has the advantage of high speed, but it also has the disadvantage of requiring a lot of channels. Multiplexed bus. A multiplexed bus is a bus that transmits data through different information, be it data, address, and control signal in a multipack manner. The advantage of this bus is that it does not require many channels, but it also has weakness, namely low speed and the need for complex mechanisms to reduce multiplex data. Performance issue. Instruction execute rate. A processor is driven by a clock with a constant frequency of f or equivalent a constant cycle time. Define the instruction code LC for a program. The number of matching instruction execute for that program until it runs to complete or for some definite time interval. Note that this is the number of instructions executed, not the number of instructions in the object code of the program. The processor time. The processor the time to transfer depends on the memory cycle time, which may be greater than the processor cycle time. The five performance factors in the present equation are influenced by four system attributes. 1. The design of the instruction set. 2. Compiler technology. 3. Processor implementation. 4. Change and memory hierarchy. A top-level view of the computer function and interconnection. Computer components. Contemporary computer design are based on concepts developed by John von Neumann at the Institute for Advanced Studies, Princeton, referred to as von Neumann architecture, and is based on three key concepts. 1. Data and instruction are stored in a single read-write memory. 2. The context of the memory are addressable by location without regard to the type of data contained there. 3. Execute occurs in a sequential fashion from one instruction to the next. Hardware program. 1. The result of the process of connection the various components in the desired configuration. Wait. Next, fetch cycle. At the beginning of each instruction cycle, the processor fetches an instruction from memory. The program counter PC holds the address of the instruction to be fetched next. The processor encourages the PC after each instruction fed to that it will fetch the next instruction in sequence. The fetched instruction is loaded into the instruction. The processor intercepts the instruction and performs the required action. Interrupt cycle. Added to interrupt cycle, processor check for interrupt. If no interrupt, flag the next instruction. If interrupt pending, suspend execute of the correct program, save context, set PC to start address of interrupt handle routine, process interrupt, restore context, and continue the interrupted program. A top-level view of computer function and interconnection. Data bus. Data lines the provider data lines the a path for moving data among system modules. May of 30, 32, 64, 2028 or more separate lines. The number of lines is referred to as the width of the data bus. The number of lines determines how many bits can be transferred at a time. The width of the data bus is okay. Factor is determined overall system performance. Address bus used to designate the source of destination of the data on the data bus. If the processor wishes to read a word of data from memory, is put the address of the desired word on the address line, which determines the maximum possible memory capacity of the system. Also used to address AO port, the high order bits are used to select a particular module on the bus, and the lower order bit select a memory location or AO port within the module. Control bus used to control the access and the use of the data and address line. Because the data and address lines are shared by all components, there must be a means of controlling their use. Controlling and transmit both command and timing information among system modules. Timing signal indicates the validity of data and address information. Command signal specify operation to be performed. The memory hierarchy, location and performance. Memory is the part of the computer where program and data are stored. The term stored to storage refers to memory, although the word stored is often used to refer to disaggregated storage, a place where information read and written. Various types, technologies, organization, performance, and breaches. Memory parameters. There are four important parameters that are considered in choosing memory: capacity, speed, latency, bandwidth. Next, bit and byte. Bit, base unit of memory, binary digit, consists of the number 0 and 1. Byte, 1 byte equal 8 bit. 1 kilobyte equal 124 bit. Sorry. Characteristic of the memory system. Location refers to where memory is internal or external to the computer. Internal memory is often equated with main memory. Processor request is on local memory in the form of register. Change is other form of internal memory. External memory consists of peripheral storage devices that are accessible to the processor via I/O controllers. Capacity memory is typically expressed in the term of byte. Change memory. Memory. The use of their level that fact the semiconductor memory comes is a variety of type misdefined is speed and cost. Data are stored more permanently on external mass storage device. External non-volatile memory is also referred to as secondary memory or auxiliary memory. This change small amount of fast memory sit between normal main memory and CPU may be located on CPU chip or module. High speed secondary data storage mechanism used to store frequently accessed data instruction. Chain provider memory speed close to the fastest available memory and at the same time provide large memory capacity at a low price that other type of semiconductor memory. Why change? Accelerated memory so that is a processor speed. Main memory is like in capacity but slower to operate while change memory is small but faster. Memory chain contain copies of main memory. Change memory is designed to combine the memory as a time of experience high speed memory combined with the large memory size of less expensive lower speed memory. Internal memory. RAM. RAM technology is divided into two technology, dynamic RAM and static RAM. Synchronous DRAM. ASIC in synchronized with an external clock address is printed to RAM. RAM find data since SDRAM moved data in the with the system clock. The GPU know when data will be ready. Change DRAM. Mitsubishi Intelligent Small SRAM change 60 KB onto generic DRAM chip used as true change. Mitsubishi Integrated Small SRAM change 60 KB onto generic DRAM chips used as true change. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.